Another great drama series application. We'll be showing you how to use this application so you can watch pretty much the nicest movies you will ever watch. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and here you will pretty much see all the series that you need to watch. And if you tap on a new option, you can see here some new series that's been added, or let's say new series for a movie that's been added already on the application. Original option over here, you have the ranking, the trending series that you can watch as well. You have the top searches, what everyone search for, and you have new releases and so forth. So a lot of series on this application which you can watch. And you can also select or find series related to certain topics. Let's say Rags to Riches will pretty much show you a lot of series as it relates to that topic. Revenge series, you can find that as well, and the Sweet Love series, you can find that as well. So over here, if I scroll across, you can find other episodes as it relates to love and the female and so forth. So at the top you may see a VIP icon. This is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. So each subscription you get perks like unlock all episodes and so forth. So subscription is pretty much different from the coins that we'll need to unlock some of these episodes. So do keep that in mind, and that's pretty much it for that there. So if I tap on the profile option here, you pretty much will see the subscription, and here you pretty much can watch all series for free. But do keep in mind, some of the times some of these episodes within these movies you will need coins to watch. So if I tap on the my wallet option here, you can see that I have 0 coins. But if you have come across an episode that we need to watch and it's asking for coins, can come to this option and pretty much top up. Press on the top up option, and as you can see here, you get weekly option here where you can unlock all episodes that are for coin for a week, or for here option price here. But if you do not want that option, or you can't afford that, whatever the case is, for some reason, you can always purchase coins to pretty much unlock an episode. I'm not sure how much the episodes are, or if I can show you, but it will pretty much not show you guys, because I can't. It won't allow me to show the movies because of their privacy policies. So that's pretty much it for that there. If you tap on the For You option, it will pretty much be something like TikTok, where you scroll and see other short clips, but you will see short movie clips, the most interesting part obviously, and it will just show you that. Then you can either tap on the episode to continue watching and so forth, or save it to your My List, and it will be shown here. Also the history option here, we see all the movies that you have watched on the application. So that's pretty much it for this application. Very straightforward. If I missed anything, do make sure you log in, and if for some reason you don't have any coins, you can always tap on earn coins option, and you can always check in. Once you check in, you get free coins, and you can pretty much do this every day. And you have some other options that you can do as well. Log in, enable notification, watch a few ads. Pretty much you will get coins, guys. So also just watching something of the application will get you coins as well. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If I missed anything at all, comment below, and I would gladly love to help you guys. See you guys in the next one.